And that is how you make iced coffee with a Keurig. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make iced coffee with a Keurig. The reason that I'm making this video is because not a lot of people know you need a special type of K-Cup in order to make iced coffee with a Keurig, and it's the McCafe Premium Roast. Now there's a bunch of different iced coffee K-Cups, but I found this one to be the cheapest. You get them on Amazon, a pack of 10 of them for around $5. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. So about 50 cents per K-Cup, much better than what you're gonna get at Starbucks. Instead of paying $5 for a nice cup of iced coffee, you could just get it for 50 cents. All right, so I have my iced coffee K-Cup. I'm just gonna set it right here next to the Keurig. I'm going to grab my mason jar because, you know, that's the only way to drink iced coffee. So we're gonna get some ice, fill up the mason jar a little bit. All right, so now that we have our mason jar full of ice ready for our iced coffee, let us set it over here under the Keurig. All right, so I have it properly placed. There's a bunch of different iced coffee blends that you can make. I just like mine unsweetened because I drink the iced coffee black. I'll leave links in the description to other flavors of iced coffees that you can make with your Keurig. So let's just slap it in. You know, basically you do the normal thing you do with a normal K-Cup. But in this instance, since we're gonna let it heat up, since we're making iced coffee, obviously you're gonna wanna fill it with ice. Now, we're not gonna hit the highest setting to fill it up. We're actually gonna hit the lowest setting because obviously the coffee is gonna come out of the Keurig hot. So it's just gonna go into the ice, and then the ice is gonna obviously just cool it down, and the ice is gonna melt, which is gonna fill up the glass even more. So I'm just gonna hit the lowest setting here because that's the instructions. It's more concentrated, and it's just gonna go into the ice, and then it's gonna dilute it with the ice water. So let us see it happen. This is magic happening right now. Oh yeah, would you just look at that? Oh, it's beautiful. I just love iced coffee. And this is by far the cheapest way that you're gonna be able to get good tasting iced coffee. Oh yeah, look at that, just finishing up right there. And it's just about finished right here. All right, so you could expect about this much of your coffee. Now, obviously, like I mentioned earlier, well, let me just first get rid of this K-Cup. If you're one of those people that makes coffees and Keurigs and leaves these K-Cups around, shame on you. Always throw these out. Throw these out right here in the trash. Boom, easy. All right, so back to the iced coffee over here. Shut up, Keurig, you're done now. So I'm done with this machine. I'm just gonna turn it off. All right, so obviously the ice is still gonna melt. Right now it is not 100% at ice temperature yet, but just let it sit for, I'd say, maybe about 2 to 3 minutes. Let it sit, and then eventually you're gonna get that perfect ice temperature coffee for your enjoyment. And you have to make it in a mason jar. If you're making this at home, you have to drink it in a mason jar, because how else are you gonna get a really good Instagram pic if you're putting it in something stupid like this Yeti mug? No one wants to see this Yeti mug in their Instagram feed. But as you can see, the ice is melting, and you're slowly getting to the place that you want your coffee. And I could already just feel it by the side of the glass, and it's becoming rather chilled. So again, you get this on Amazon, $5. You get 10 K-Cups, 50 cents per K-Cup. So really good deal. Again, links to that in the description below. I'll also leave links to flavored coffees that you guys could try out. So very nice and simple. All you had to do was just add some ice into your mason jar, put your mason jar under your Keurig, and put the K-Cup in, and boom. You got your mason jar iced coffee with the Keurig machine. So pretty sweet, very happy with what we have going on here. Life is great. Look at that delicious goodness, ready to be enjoyed. If you guys are about to order some K-Cups and enjoy yourself a nice mason jar full of iced coffee, let me know in the comment section below. Is how you make iced coffee with a Keurig. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.